The Bosch boiler error code C6 indicates a problem related to the boiler fan. This issue can be caused by a faulty boiler fan or a malfunctioning printed circuit board (PCB). To resolve this error, the boiler fan should be checked and, if necessary, replaced by switching off the power source, disconnecting the device wiring, removing the fan, blowing out any dust from the fan housing, and then reconnecting the wiring harness. After replacing the fan, the boiler should be turned back on to check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the PCB should be checked, as it plays a crucial role in sending and receiving electrical signals to the boiler's components. To replace the PCB, the appliance should be switched off, unplugged from the electric source, and the old PCB removed. A new PCB should then be installed, and the previously recorded service settings restored. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, it is recommended to seek the assistance of a trained technician for further troubleshooting.